Hello, so in this activity we're going to map out the insights we uncovered when we talk to our customers in our customer interviews. So we probably should talk about what is an insight first of all. So an insight is something unexpected that you find out about how your customer behaves or how they think or how they use the product or how they feel or what they believe about the category. So this changes the way you think about the problem you're trying to solve in some way. It's like that aha moment when you realise that, for example, people are buying a particular snack because it's easy for them to eat in the car or something, or you realise your protein bar that you are developing will only sell to a small niche of women who were your target perhaps, but if you positioned it as nutritional support that's also like a treat and as a reward after their workout or a day out with the kids, then that would be something that would really be attractive to that group. Or maybe you find out that women actually really like recipe delivery services because it means their husband or their partner does the cooking and they get a much needed break. So it's all about getting that pause in the day actually. So it's about finding what's behind why they make the choices that they do. And good insights are really hard to find, but they can give you a huge competitive example. Even a small insight can be really advantageous and really set you apart if you hone in on it. So they can be rational, so I need a protein snack to fuel my muscles after my workout, or they could be emotional, so that might be I want to feel like a real athlete. I want to be proud of my body and proud of myself. So when you've collected all your information, add it onto the insights map to make sense of it. Add your notes and images, videos, anything you've got, and just discuss it with your team and see where you land. So we've given you an example here of the insights we uncovered when we were spending time with skiers and snowboarders researching for our D3O brand. So, which is an impact protection technology, an integrated impact protection technology, a bit like Gore-Tex is to waterproof, breathable, D3O is impact protection integrated into clothing. So through research, we actually discovered that the real story was about freedom to move and be the best you could be whilst also being protected. In this instance, traditional impact protection was very bulky and it just got in the way. And our product was very soft and flexible with a magic ingredient that made it lock together on impact. So it served a need that no one else could, a practical, physical need. But as we discovered, it was also about being the best you can be, about breaking those boundaries, breaking records, and just being a bit of a superhero version of yourself. That was the aspirational, that was what the customers, the athletes were aspiring to. So our product could bring not just protection, it could bring freedom and confidence and the ability to push your limits. So our strategy became very story focused around that. We're actually a B2B brand, but we focused directly on the consumer. We built a relationship directly with the consumer, which was a really important part of building a brand. So we developed an intelligent molecule story that was really shareable, and that kind of described how the material worked. We had a brand essence of revolution, and that kind of just infiltrated in every single thing that the company did. And I honestly believe that without that, it just wouldn't be successful today. So the example board gives you an idea of the things that the types of things that you can put on it. And then if you just use the clean board next to it, that will help you work out, how it will help you sort of map out all of your thoughts, all of your insights that you've got from your own interviews. This can be a bit tricky, so if you do have problems or you're unsure about it, then just drop us a line in the chat like this and we'll come over and give you a hand. Okay, let's go.